The cat walks on a balloon, walking gently on a slippery surface, looking so funny and interesting, as if participating in an adventurous game.
С вами все в порядке?
6 dogs compete to eat, each with their mouth wide open and hastily competing, creating an exciting and somewhat chaotic scene, but also full of energy and fun. The dog sat right next to his owner, his big round eyes looking up, his tail wagging slightly as if to say, "Give me some food." Looks so cute and adorable. The cat playfully plays with the door, gently playing with it, then pushing it back and forth, creating a scene that is both funny and cute when the cat tries to explore this door. The 2 dogs happily played with the water pipe, jumped up, chased and bit each other excitedly, creating a scene filled with energy and laughter. The white cat jumped excitedly in front of the gray cat, as if he wanted to show off his talent, making the gray cat's eyes widen, creating a moment that was both funny and hilarious.
Masz dychę. Tu ci kładę.
The puppy runs around the mother dog, full of energy and joy, its tiny legs waddling after her, creating a warm and sweet scene of motherly love.
This is Lear.
The cat and the dog played together, both running and jumping happily, creating an intimate and adorable scene, proving that the friendship between animals is wonderful. Eight cats were drinking milk, engrossed in their meal, when the gray cat was suddenly picked up, making its eyes widen in surprise, creating a really cute and adorable moment. The dog happily ran and jumped on the deck. A strong wind made its fur flutter, creating a scene like an adventure full of excitement and freedom. The cat suddenly fell from the stairs. His eyes were surprised and he looked a bit confused, but quickly stood up as if nothing had happened, looking so funny and cute.
Hey, excuse me. Nala, are you doing dishes? I hope so.
The cat tried to swallow the package of noodles, his face full of effort and excitement, making everyone who saw him laugh because of his curiosity and innocence when trying a dish that was not his. The cat happily drank water flowing from the pipe. His eyes lit up with excitement. He raised his head high to enjoy the cool water, looking so cute and funny. The owner feeds the strawberry to the cat. The cat raises its head, bright eyes, and happily enjoys it, creating a sweet and adorable moment between human and pet. The dog is sleepy, his eyes gradually drooping. His ears are slightly drooping and his body is wobbly as if he is struggling with sleepiness. He looks so cute and adorable when he wants to find a warm place to sleep. The dog kicked the pillow, accidentally pressing on the cat, causing the cat to startle and look around awkwardly. The scene is so funny when the dog doesn't know he's accidentally making the cat uncomfortable. The cat playfully bit into the tube of the water bottle. His eyes lit up with curiosity and excitement as if he was discovering a new toy. The furry dog performs in fashion shows, walking confidently on the catwalk, his smooth fur fluttering.
Masz dychę. Tu ci kładę.
The two cats happily played with each other, playfully laughed, jumped, and chased each other, creating a scene full of energy and camaraderie. The cat curiously plays with the fish underwater, his bright eyes filled with excitement as he reaches down, but the fish quickly glides back and forth, creating a funny and fun scene. The dog lies still in the car, breathing regularly, eyes half closed and body relaxed, as if enjoying a relaxing ride, creating a peaceful and pleasant moment. The cat is locked in a green cage, looking out with bewildered eyes, a bit sad but still adorable, creating a scene that is both humorous and emotional. The cat smells the flower, takes a deep breath with curious eyes. His mustache shakes slightly, as if enjoying the sweet fragrance, creating a sweet and adorable moment. The cat randomly rolled down the yard, his surprised eyes and fur spread out,